SAIFILTER cartridges have a pleated design with uniform and dense pleats for a large effective filtration area. The excellent sealing ensures mechanical stability and a filtration efficiency of up to 99.99%. The end cover can be made of plastic, stainless steel or carbon steel. The filter material is made of metal mesh, glass fiber, or filter paper, etc. A wide range of filter materials are available for selection, which provide good filtration effect, strong air permeability, and large recording capacity. SAIFILTER filter elements are widely used in chemical industry, domestic and industrial water treatment, oil and gas filtration, food and beverage plants, up to electronic chemical filtration, steel mills, power stations, and many other fields. SAIFILTER has been specialized in designing and manufacturing replacement filter elements for more than 12 years. We have rich experience, advanced equipment, and standard production workshop to provide you high-performance products.